Aloha guys! If you haven't done so yet, please download the Flashcards Plus app before moving on to watching the rest of this online lecture so that you can follow along. So right now we're going to click on the Flashcards Plus app. And I already did a little bit of onboarding, so they're going to ask you to sign up with your email address. And then after you go ahead and do the onboarding process, you're going to be able to create a deck. So why don't you go through that, pause the video right now, create your account. So what we're going to do first is we're going to create a deck. And you can create a deck for this class. So CM 160. And you can give your deck a brief description. So flashcards for this class. You can select a category or you can create one. And then you can customize color, an icon that you want to use. So I created a new deck called CM 160. It's going to be flashcards for this class, and I'm going to hit create. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a bunch of flashcards for current or future models of smartphones that are on the market. So I just looked up some specs on the iPhone 7. So I'm going to type in the title here, iPhone 7. And you can go ahead and add a photo. So once you have your photo added into your flashcard, you can go ahead and click on back here and you can add in some text. So the text should include some of the new features of this model. So for the iPhone 7, we have a splash and water resistant phone. It has a new home button. So in case you're wondering where I got this information, you can just simply look up new mobile products, mobile cell phones, smartphones on the internet, and then you can kind of highlight some specs that you want to include in your flashcard. And so it has a 12 megapixel camera and new stereo speaker system. So new speaker system. So we're going to go ahead and hit done because I've added in 4 different new features. And now you're going to see that the Flashcards Plus app is syncing everything. Now there seems to be a little glitch here, although it says that it's in sync. So I went ahead and I reopened the application, and now it looks like it's syncing. It's still syncing, but my new deck shows up here. So CM 160, and as it says, I have 1 flashcard in there. I can click on that flashcard, check out the photo. So if you tap anywhere on the flashcard, you will see that it will turn over to the back and you can view the specs that you just entered. That's it for right now. If you have any questions on how to use the Flashcards Plus app, please let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to reviewing your assignment soon. Aloha.